Alright, well tonight what I got done is I went ahead and finished the painting the handle. I painted some of the platforms. I got the sinks permanently installed. Got the sink drains installed. And you can see some of the caulk around there. I'm going to clean that caulk up. But the sinks are caulked in. I started roughing in the drainage there. I put the pipe in permanently tomorrow. But I had a slight problem. I fixed it. I got a different fitting. Had to go to Lowe's twice today, but I got it done. So again, not as much work as I wanted to get accomplished, but I got some done today, considering that there was a baby born. So, and we thank God for that. So the progress continues.